In Haryana, the BJP is currently leading, while Congress is trailing as both parties compete for control of the state assembly. In Jammu Kashmir, the National Conference Congress alliance is ahead, with the BJP trailing behind. The vote counting began earlier in the day after a significant voter turnout in both states. These elections hold particular importance for Jammu and Kashmir, being the first assembly election in over a decade and the first since the abrogation of Article 370. Exit polls had predicted a Congress victory in Haryana, while Jammu Kashmir was expected to see a hung assembly. The results from these elections could shape the political landscape for upcoming elections in states like Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Congress leader Kumari Selja expressed disappointment with the party's performance in Haryana. Meanwhile, in Jammu Kashmir, the National Conference Congress alliance continues to maintain a lead over the BJP. However, the numbers are still changing as the vote counting process is ongoing.